welcome to all of the distinguished speakers, participants, ladies and gentlemen. This is Digital Universities Asia 2024.
The topic might be the same, digitalization, but as technology progresses, the challenges will be different. Now the challenge is actually to prove that the class paper actually not written by the artificial intelligence. If students rely too much on artificial intelligence, then the motivation for study to improve, I use the example of English skill, will be gone. That's the challenge of today's era of digital university.
It's been a brilliant event from the opening last night where we got all of our delegates together to celebrate beachside with a beautiful cultural immersion to start the event with. From a networking perspective, events like this are just gold. You make connections with universities, associations and colleagues from across the world.
Saya ucapkan selamat kepada Universitas Indonesia yang telah berhasil menyelenggarakan event global ini, dan selamat karena bisa bekerja sama dengan Higher Education, pengelolaan perguruan tinggi ke depan. Dan salah satu strategi yang terbaik saat ini adalah bagaimana kita mendigitalisasi penyelenggaraan pendidikan tinggi ini. Dan semoga dari pertemuan ini nanti dihasilkan beberapa strategi dan juga kebijakan yang tentu bisa kami laksanakan dari sisi pemerintah untuk bisa mengembangkan dari penyelenggaraan pendidikan tinggi yang terjangkau dan berkualitas.
Kita bersama mengikuti THE Digital 2024 yang di-host oleh Universitas Indonesia. Ini adalah pertanda bahwa transformasi digital untuk pendidikan dan pengajaran sangat penting untuk kita perhatikan bersama, dan berbagai pendekatan-pendekatan dengan penggunaan kecerdasan buatan, artificial intelligence, dan teknologi untuk dapat mengelola data mengenai inklusivitas, diversity, dan equity. Itu sangat dibicarakan untuk memberikan hyper personalization.
Students have to learn how to use AI for improving their skill as well as their productivity. Because the future that all of the companies use the AI as the important tool for their company operation, for their productivity.
Yeah, it's an honor for me to be able to join in the session that discuss issue between artificial intelligence and ethical values, in which there's a gap between the advancement of artificial intelligence and the lack of ethical values in the usage of artificial intelligence. So this issue is crucial because there's no turning back, in terms of the application of artificial intelligence in educational activities like research, publication, and teaching. So the industry of higher education and universities leaders and governments have to find a common platform, common framework that can be used as a standardized ethics for the application of good governance artificial intelligence in higher education industry.